What?
I don't know the answers, man. I didn't study. You can't copy off me.
Shit.
I'm just gonna take the capital L on this one.
Dude, no. I can't fail this class. What about Jay?
No.
What? Why?
No. I don't think he has the answers anyway.
Doesn't he have like a 6.7 GPA?
That number isn't even on the GPA scale.
But you're not denying it.
Denying what?
That he has the right answers.
Nah, man, I'm sorry. I can't do it.
Just lean over and look at his paper.
It's like covered in snot and shit.
Dude, stop being a germaphobe and just do it.
May I go to the bathroom?
Yo, what did he write for number 7?
Oh.
No one's looking. Just pick it up. Yes.
Oh, God. May I help you? Clap.
About your past.
So you're just gonna say yes?
Is this a sexy angle, Ben?
No.
Obviously, you guys never went to blowing things off this school.
Clap your hands, everybody. You got what it takes.
Make a noise with your mouth.
Ramps.
Okay.
Ready?
When you kiss me, when you miss me,